What is CAS? CAS stands for Competent Advisor Status. Requirements to achieve CAS depends on the firm you work with or the network that you're part of. So where does CAS fit into the process? So this is how you achieve CAS with the network that we're part of and my firm's part of. This does depend on network to network, so you just need to check out with the network or firm that you're looking to be part of what are the requirements for them to achieve your CAS status. The first step to achieving CAS with the network I work with is for you to observe a first appointment by a competent advisor. So one of the advisors in the firm, you will observe them conduct a first appointment from start to finish, and generally that's the first part of the CAS status. Following on from you observing the first appointment, you will then need to attend the induction program or induction training. That lasts depending on whether you're experienced or inexperienced or not. Inexperienced, you're looking at a 7-day course, 7 working days. For an experienced advisor, you're looking at a 4-day course. This will just help you understand the process. If you've attended the course, you now need to show and demonstrate your learning from the course, which takes place by way of a role play with the compliance and risk manager within the firm. This is to demonstrate that you can conduct a first appointment and a presentation meeting. Once you've demonstrated your learning for that and competent role play being assessed, then you can now see first appointments. You conduct a first appointment, you then need to go away and do your research to find a suitable mortgage product for that particular client. Once you've found that suitable product, you then need to arrange a presentation meeting so you can present your findings and that mortgage to your client. Prior to attending the presentation meeting, the compliance and risk manager will do a quick sense check just to make sure that what you're presenting is right for the client. You then attend your presentation meeting and you submit your mortgage application to the mortgage provider. These are then checked by the network's case checking team. Once then you've gone through that process 3 times, 3 mortgages and 3 protection, and all your mortgages and your protection cases have been passed, then you will achieve competent advisor status. Simply put, you can now demonstrate that you can do your job. The thing to point out though is that once you've achieved your CAS status, your learning doesn't stop there. The complexity of being a mortgage broker changes daily, so it's important to understand that you will have your continued personal development or your CPD, and we'll cover this in future videos. Thank you for watching, and if there are any questions you have that you want me to answer in the world of mortgage broking, then please like the video and add your question to the comments.